Ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels on social media, like you're posting and posting and getting nowhere?
Yeah, I think you're shouting into the void sometimes. All that effort for what feels like zero return.
Exactly. You're trying to engage, grow your audience, maybe even make some sales, but it's like talking to a brick wall.
It's tough out there, that's for sure. Especially with these algorithms changing all the time. You never know what's going to work.
It can be super frustrating for sure. And that's exactly why we're diving deep today into something that's been a game changer, at least for me.
Ooh, okay, lay it on me. What's the secret weapon?
It all started with my wife's birthday a few weeks back. I wanted to do something special, something that would really make her feel appreciated.
I feel that birthdays are a big deal.
So I thought, why not make her one of those Instagram reels? Those short, fun videos everyone's going crazy for?
Yeah, I've seen those. Seems like everyone and their grandma is making reels these days.
Exactly. So I put one together, nothing fancy, just some pics and videos of her set to music. And get this, it blew up, like really blew up.
No way. You're telling me you went viral.
It got thousands of views, shares, comments, the whole 9 yards. I couldn't believe it. And it got me thinking, maybe there's something to this whole short-form video thing.
Well, you're definitely not wrong there. All the data shows that short form video is absolutely exploding right now, Instagram Reels especially.
Really? They're that popular?
You better believe it. Reels are the fastest growing platform out there. They're leaving Snapchat, YouTube Shorts, even Facebook in the dust.
Wow, I had no idea. But why are they so successful? I mean, what's the big deal about these short videos?
It's all about attention spans, my friend. People are bombarded with content these days, so they want something quick, catchy, and to the point.
Ah, that makes sense. And Reels are perfect for that. But what really blows my mind is how even people with zero video experience are crushing it with Reels.
That's the beauty of it. You don't need a fancy camera crew or years of editing experience, just a smartphone and a little creativity.
And Instagram's practically begging people to use Reels. They're pushing this format like crazy, which means it's easier than ever to get your content seen.
It's like they're handing you the keys to the kingdom. They want you to make reels, so they're making it as easy as possible for you to succeed.
Pretty amazing, right?
Yeah.
So that's where this guy Ram Rawat comes in. He calls himself a marketing nerd, and he claims to have figured out the secret sauce to real success.
Marketing nerd, huh? That's kind of endearing. But does he have the chops to back it up?
Dude, this guy's the real deal. He's helped over 60,000 marketers get amazing results with their online marketing. And get this, he's generated over $2.5 million in sales using his methods.
Okay, that's impressive. 2.5 million, that's serious money. So what's his secret? What's this reels code he claims to have cracked?
Well, he says the biggest mistake people make is either not using short-form video at all or using it the wrong way.
Interesting. I could see how that would be a problem, but what does he mean by using it the wrong way?
Basically, he says a lot of people are just creating boring, repetitive content that doesn't grab anyone's attention. The kind of stuff you just scroll right past.
Ugh. Yeah, I've definitely seen that. Like the same three trends recycled over and over again. It gets old fast.
Right. And that's why understanding what makes Reels tick is so crucial. It's not enough to just jump on the bandwagon.
Yeah.
You got to know how to create content that actually stands out and resonates with your audience.
Makes total sense. So this Ram Rowat guy, what's he saying is the key to creating killer reels that actually get results?
Well, he lays out 5 major points about why Reels are such a golden opportunity right now. First off, like we talked about, the growth is insane.
Yeah, that's definitely hard to ignore. Reels are quickly becoming the dominant force in online video.
And second, Instagram is practically throwing its weight behind Reels. They're making it so easy to create and share them, they're even giving them preferential treatment in the algorithm.
They're really going all in on this, huh? Like they see the writing on the wall and they want to be at the forefront of this short form video revolution.
Exactly. And third, even if you've never made a video in your life, you can still succeed with Reels. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience.
That's encouraging. It seems like there really are no barriers to entry here.
Not at all. And fourth, you can drive massive traffic to your website or offers using Reels, and it's completely free. You don't have to spend a fortune on ads.
Wow, free traffic. That's music to my ears, especially these days when ad costs are through the roof.
Right. It's like a gold mine just waiting to be tapped. And finally, anyone can do this. It doesn't matter if you have a huge following or if you're just starting out.
So it's all about creativity and strategy, not just the size of your audience. I like that it levels the playing field.
Totally. But even with all this amazing potential, Rawat himself ran into a major challenge.
Oh, what was that? It seemed like he had it all figured out.
He did, in a way. But he realized that creating enough high-quality content to keep up with the demand was a real struggle.
I can imagine. Coming up with fresh, engaging ideas day after day can be exhausting. I bet a lot of our listeners are feeling that pain too.
You hit the nail on the head. It's so easy to run out of steam and hit a creative wall.
So what did he do about it? How did he overcome that hurdle?
That's where things get really interesting. He went on a mission to find a solution.
A solution to the content creation conundrum. I'm all ears. Tell me more.
So Rawat, he knew there had to be a better way, right? And he's like, okay, what if I could use technology to help me solve this problem?
The classic entrepreneur's dilemma. Too many ideas, not enough time. It sounds like he was ready to embrace the power of automation.
Exactly. So he actually spent months, like seriously months, hunkered down with a team of developers.
Wow, that's commitment. This wasn't just some side project for him. Sounds like he really poured his heart and soul into this thing.
He totally did.
Yeah.
And the result of all that hard work, a brand new software called Insta Rocket AI.
Insta Rocket AI, huh? Catchy name. So what's the deal with this software? What does it actually do?
Okay, so imagine this. You create one awesome video, something really engaging and share-worthy.
Okay, I'm picturing it. Got my video. It's top-notch, ready to go viral.
And then, bam, InstaRocket AI takes that one video and transforms it into multiple unique reels, like 20 different variations, each optimized for maximum engagement.
Hold on, I think my mind just exploded. It can do that. Create all these different versions from just one video.
Yep, you heard that right. It's like having a whole team of video editors working for you, but without the insane costs. And get this, it also helps you optimize your reels for discoverability.
Okay, now you're speaking my language. Discoverability is everything on social media these days. If people can't find your content, it's like it doesn't even exist.
Exactly. And that's where InstaRocket AI shines. It's got this viral content finder thing that analyzes current trends and helps you create reels that are more likely to get seen and shared.
Oh, wow. So it's not just about creating content. It's about creating the right content. Content that's actually aligned with what people are searching for and engaging with.
You got it. And there's even more. It also has a hashtag generator that suggests relevant hashtags to boost your reach. It's like having a personal social media guru whispering all the best strategies in your ear.
That's pretty slick. Sounds like it takes a lot of the guesswork out of social media marketing. No more spending hours trying to figure out the perfect hashtags.
Right, and the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Even if you're a total tech newbie, you can navigate the software and start creating amazing reels in no time.
Okay, I'm starting to see why Rawat's so excited about this. It's like he's taken all the complicated, time-consuming parts of reels creation and streamlined them.
Exactly. It's all about working smarter, not harder. InstaRocket AI lets you focus on the creative side of things while it handles all the technical stuff in the background.
And speaking of saving time, tell me about this scheduling feature I've heard about. Does it actually let you plan your reels in advance?
Oh yeah, it totally does. You could basically set your social media on autopilot, plan out your reels for the week, even the month, and InstaRocket AI will automatically post them for you.
That's a game changer right there. No more scrambling to create content every day. You can batch it all at once and free up so much time and mental energy.
Seriously. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. This software is packed with features. So, who do you think InstaRocket AI is for?
Honestly, I think it could be a huge asset for pretty much anyone looking to up their Instagram game. Seasoned marketers, small business owners, bloggers, even just everyday folks who want to share their story with the world.
I'm with you on that. It's really all about leveraging the power of reels and removing the barriers that often hold people back. Those feelings of overwhelm and not knowing where to start.
I feel that so many people get intimidated by social media marketing, but a tool like this could really help them gain confidence and see real results.
Absolutely. It takes the fear and frustration out of the equation.
So let's get down to brass tacks. How much does this magical software actually cost? Because I have a feeling our listeners are going to be clamoring to get their hands on it.
Okay, get this. For a limited time, they're offering lifetime access to InstaRocket AI for a one-time price of $17.95.
Wait, what? Did I hear that right? Lifetime access for less than $20. That's insane.
I know, right? It's like they're practically giving it away. But here's the catch. This offer's not going to last forever. They've been pretty upfront about that.
So after this initial launch period, the price is going up?
Yep, they're going to switch to a monthly subscription model, and it's going to be a lot more expensive.
Wow, that's a pretty sweet deal for anyone who jumps on it now. But what if someone tries it out and it's not for them? Is there any kind of guarantee?
Of course. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, They call it their Steal Our Product guarantee. You can try it out risk-free for a whole month.
That's bold. It shows they really believe in their product. They're basically saying, hey, try it out. If you don't love it, you get your money back.
Yep, no questions asked. So there's really no reason not to give it a shot.
I'm sold. I'm definitely checking this out. Where can our listeners go to learn more?
You know what really impresses me about Insta Rocket AI is that it's not just about churning out reels. It's about creating reels that actually work. Like, it's got this whole strategic element to it.
Right. It's not just a content creation tool. It's more like a whole marketing platform in itself. It helps you figure out what your audience wants, what's trending, and how to make reels that actually get results.
Yeah, exactly. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket.
Yeah.
And I think that's what sets it apart from all those other tools out there. It's not just about making pretty videos. It's about making videos that actually move the needle for your business or brand.
Totally. And the fact that it's so easy to use means anyone can leverage this power. It doesn't matter if you're a tech wizard or if you can barely turn on a computer. InstaRocket AI levels the playing field for everyone.
It really does democratize social media marketing. And that's something I'm super passionate about, giving everyone the tools they need to succeed online.
Me too. It's exciting to see how technology like this can empower individuals and small businesses to compete with the big guys. And the best part is it's constantly evolving.
Oh yeah, the team behind InstaRocket AI is always updating it with the latest features and algorithm changes.
So you know you're not just buying a piece of software, you're investing in a partner that's going to help you stay ahead of the curve.
Exactly. So to wrap things up, I gotta say, this deep dive has been a real eye-opener. I'm fired up to take my Reels game to the next level.
Me too. It's always inspiring to explore new tools and strategies that can help us achieve our goals. And for those listening, I encourage you to check out InstaRocket AI for yourselves, especially while that crazy limited time offer is still available.
Seriously, guys, don't miss out on that. Lifetime access for under 20 bucks is unheard of. And you know, as we finish up here, I want to leave you with this thought. If you had the power to automate your content creation and tap into this massive audience on Instagram, what could you achieve?
What dreams could you finally pursue? What impact could you make on the world?
It's something to think about. So thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Instagram Reels and InstaRocket AI. We hope you found it valuable, and we'll see you on the next deep dive.